We pray every day. Sri Caitanya manobhistang stapitang jena bhutale swayam rupa kadamayam dadhati swapadam tikam. O Srila Rupa Goswami, I follow and beg to take shelter of your divine lotus feet, because you have established the desire of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu in this world. That is the highest principle. Rupa Goswami is Goa Rupa Manjari. He's the most intimate servant of Srimati Radharani, 9th Gopi and the 108th Gopis. He does not think that he is Radha and Krishna. He is the eternal servant in the most superlative internal aspect. What is he doing? He's establishing Krishna Samkirtan to satisfy Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And following his mood, Bhakti Siddhanta said, I have taken sannyas just to show that I am the servant of Krishna. I am not like Lord Chaitanya, who will sit and enjoy in the Gaur Gambhira of Puri, tasting the nectar of Radha Krishna Leela. Am I Lord Chaitanya? Am I to enjoy like that? I am his servant. What he wants, let me simply serve him. He should enjoy this internal pastimes. I will simply serve his lotus feet. And whatever mercy he wants to have on me, that I am always eager and anxious for. Nothing else do I want. But I want to imitate him to try to taste the nectar of Radha Krishna. Falsely putting myself in his position, that is his. I will taste anything simply by his mercy, absorbed and serving his intention, his mood. So he saw that Lord Chaitanya wanted his Sankirtan spread everywhere, his pure devotional service spread everywhere. So all through the Guru Parampara, we see they are simply manifesting his desire. Srila Prabhupada took that order to heart, unlimited percent, and expanded all over the world. This is a very wonderful thing. Very wonderful thing.